This is unbelievable. I just wrote a couple of sentences and that was it. It wrote the entire script for me, chose the character, named and designed it, even provided a character sheet. It wrote prompts for each scene, generated them, created the voiceover text.
Ethan realized the sky was a canvas.
And in the end, delivered a complete animation. I had absolutely no involvement in any of these steps. It's incredible. Of course, every step is fully editable and customizable. As an animator, I completely understand how difficult and time-consuming the process of creating 2D and 3D animations can be. So, this feels like a miracle. Regardless of the quality and precision of the output, the fact that you can complete all the steps of a 3D animation in under 2 minutes without any expertise or effort is mind-blowing. With this AI, you can create animated series without worrying about character consistency, as it automatically maintains uniformity. It even generates their voices and integrates them into the animation. It takes your idea, turns it into a storyboard, animates the scenes, and finalizes the project without requiring video editing software. It delivers a fully finished animation. To achieve this, it collaborates with powerful AI tools like ChatGPT, 11 Labs, Halu, Midjourney, and more. Let's check out some samples and see how it works. Before we do that, don't forget to subscribe for more videos on animation and AI. Click the link in the description to visit animateai.pro. This rapidly evolving platform is adding new features daily. If you go to the Showcases section, you'll see various sample animations created with this AI, including Animation Story.
Whiskers wanted to make Thanksgiving special. A squirrel stole the treat. Whiskers chased the squirrel. The wind made it hard, but Whiskers kept the...
Movie trailer. Kids' bedtime story.
Follow me, I will show you Italy. Now I am at the Florence Art Museum.
Music clips.
His paper airplane with his hopes
and motivational story.
Dear Petter, I know you're going through a difficult time now. I feel so guilty that I can't offer you any help. I know there is something you want to achieve. It's okay to feel lost sometimes, but remember you're never alone.
Sign up using your Google account and access the animation creation page to get started. The interface is so simple that it might surprise you. All you have to do is describe your animation idea in simple language, including any details you want. For example, I got a story from ChatGPT about a little girl who finds a magical button on the ground and pasted it here. If you have more details in mind about the characters' appearances, behaviors, or surroundings, you can include them. But even if you just write a few words, it will generate a complete story for you. You can enable this button to automate the entire process and just watch. If it's turned off, you'll have the ability to modify and customize the script, prompts, and images at each stage. I'll test this feature for you as well. The settings section offers multiple options or GUI, though some are not yet available and will be released in the beta version soon. You can specify the number of scenes between 1 and 5, with each scene lasting 5 to 10 seconds. The visual style can be set to Pixar or Disney, depending on your preference. You can also select different frame sizes for your animation. Next is the text model selection, which influences script writing, prompts, and voiceovers. You can choose between ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. Two other key options greatly impact the final output. The image model, where you choose between Midjourney and Stable Diffusion for generating images, and the video model, with 4 powerful and well-known options: Minimax, Runway, Luma, and Kling. Each has its own unique style and quality, which will directly affect your final animation. If you want subtitles, you can enable them here. Animate AI currently supports English and Chinese, with more languages coming soon. The voiceover section, powered by 11 Labs, offers a wide variety of high-quality voices to suit all preferences.
There is no greater harm.
It is not so important to know everything as to appreciate what we learn.
The years teach much which the days never know.
Love is a serious mental disease.
Look no further if you need a fun, full, confident...
I can't wait to dive into this adventure with you.
If you don't know where you are going, you will probably end up somewhere else.
Holy moly, guacamole! My cat just tried to kill kill me.
There are also 2 incredible upcoming features that are not yet available. Full customization of primary and secondary characters, allowing you to add specific details, and the ability to enhance your animation with background music for a more impactful final result. Once you've set everything up, click Save and start the process. First, it reviews your prompt and quickly transforms it into a full-fledged script with several twists. This script contains all the necessary details for animation production. You can edit any part of the story if you have better ideas. Everything is fully editable and customizable. Once you approve it, the process moves forward. Next, the character details are generated. If you need more specifics, you can easily add them. Then the character design happens instantly, providing you with a 3-view sheet. This is amazing. You can even regenerate this step for alternative designs. After that, scenes are separated and a voiceover script is generated for each. Clicking the pencil icon allows you to edit any line as needed. Click Next to preview the storyboard. Here, an image is generated for each scene, which you can review and regenerate until you're satisfied. The character remains consistent across all scenes, faithfully following the reference. I think it's fantastic and highly professional. The next step generates the voiceovers. Simply click Next, and the AI will produce the voiceover for each scene.
Lily's curiosity was piqued by the mysterious button that seemed to call out to her. The world around Lily transformed into a magical wonderland, filling her with awe. Lily floated on a gentle breeze, her laughter echoing in the magical world.
Then using image-to-video AI in the Minimax model, it generates video clips for each scene. Within a few minutes, you receive all 5 animated scenes. Now let's review them. The first one is outstanding. The character animation and background look fantastic. The second one starts well, but becomes a bit scary as it progresses. Let's check the other 3. Aside from scene 2, the rest are nearly perfect and usable. If you're not entirely happy with the results, you can redo the process and refine the prompts and storyboard for better accuracy. Finally, we reach the last step, syncing the voiceover with the animation and finalizing the project. Here it is, the completed animation.
Lily's curiosity was piqued by the mysterious button that seemed to call out to her. The world around Lily transformed into a magical wonderland, filling her with awe. Lily floated on a gentle breeze, her laughter echoing in the magical world. Lily embraced the enchanting chaos, spinning with joy in the kaleidoscope world. Lily tucked the button away, her heart full of the magic she had witnessed.
The fact that this was produced without any expertise or effort is simply incredible. Now let's try another story using the auto mode to see how it performs. I'll keep the settings the same and only change the idea to a boy who has a magical night lamp. As expected, all steps are being completed just like before, but this time I'm only observing without any customization. The character sheet, storyboard, voiceovers, and videos are all generated automatically. I'm essentially acting as a supervisor while the AI does all the work. Let's review the scenes. Each one features a consistent character, and here is the final downloadable animation file.
Leo's bedroom transformed into a universe of wonder where stars were within his reach. The stars were not just distant lights, they were toys in Leo's magical playground. Leo's laughter echoed through the galaxies as he soared on a shooting star. The moon seemed so close, yet just out of reach as Leo stretched his hand towards it. Though the adventure ended, Leo knew the stars would await him again tomorrow night.
It's impressive. By the time you watch this video, new features may have been added, improving the quality even further. Animate AI offers 3 plans: free, standard, and pro, along with separate credit purchases. I hope this was helpful. Until next time, stay creative.